Hey there, how's everyone doing? I am Brock from Brock Badger Health and Fitness, and welcome to this 5-part series about some exercises that you are possibly doing wrong. Okay, so the first one is going to be the push-up. The second one is going to be the pull-up. The third one is going to be the squat. The fourth one, the deadlift, and the fifth one, the kettlebell swing. But you're going to have to tune in for the next 5 weeks to see all 5 of them. And make sure that you are doing at least some of these in your program. If you're not, head on over to my email, brock9163@gmail.com. Give me an email and we can get started on getting you a better program to give you more progress in a shorter amount of time. Without further ado, here's the first one, the push-up. First exercise is the push-up. So my friend Josh here has volunteered to do a push-up for us. Okay, Josh. Most people I see at the gym or out and about, when they're doing their push-ups in the park in their PT session, they got their butt right up in the air. Yep, their lower back's bent, or it's caved in like it's like a slinky. Yeah, so what we want to do is get nice and tight in the push-up. So the first cue I give my clients is to tighten up your butt. Good. Then we're going to make our spine nice and straight. So we're going to reach forward with our head, extend our tailbone behind us as we're squeezing our butt. And then the third thing I normally say to my clients as Josh goes down to the bottom of the push-up is to squeeze your shoulders in. That's it, because we're trying to get the back to fire at the bottom and stabilize us to push up out with our pecs and our tris. Good. So in a couple of seconds, we just fixed your push-up form. This is how you do a push-up. At the top, he's going to flex his lats downwards. Yes, so his lats are these muscles on the side of his body here.